Yeah, so I mean, I paid all that money to avoid this problem. I know how you mentioned, obviously the car had other issues and stuff like that. Obviously, we, I accepted the terms of, everything in order to fix my car from.
Exactly.
Because I mean, when I hit you guys up on Instagram, I let you guys know, hey, I'm dealing with the 2898 code, and it's been a pain in the ass. I've took it to many shops.
Yeah.
Everybody has failed to fix this. Honestly.
Yeah.
I've paid a lot of money elsewhere for the same thing. It has not been fixed originally. I brought it here with high expectations because obviously I've heard a lot of good, but I've heard negatives as well.
Yeah, of course.
I don't want to be a dick. I'm just trying to be the blunt truth. We spoke, and obviously my car, it's had its issues. I don't know exactly what's going on with it, but you did promise me exactly that was gonna 100%. You told me I'll give you your money back, this and that. That's 100%. You're gonna fix it.
Yep.
And it's not fixed. And I spent over $3,000.
It's like I told you on the text already, Giovanni.
It's
the issue that you had was on the exhaust side. Now we fixed that problem. I'm not saying that we didn't fix it.
It's the same code.
Understood.
It's 28998.
You had two codes.
It's the same exact code.
But I mean, like I said, either way, the car's gonna be here, so just leave it with me. Let me diagnose the problem.
I know, but I already left it here for a whole month diagnosing though. It's already been here. I already gave you your I gave you your opportunity to fix it correctly. I let you do exactly what you wanted to. I let you pick exactly what you wanted to. I let you pick out every single flaw. I accepted everything. And I let you fix it because you said 100% sure that's going to fix the problem.
Yeah. So what do you want to do here?
I want to know why is can you stop what you're doing and I paid you already. I paid you a lot of cash.
So you want me to stop what I'm doing and work on it right now?
Well, I would like to see. Can you? I thought I paid you to diagnose it though.
Yeah.
I paid you to diagnose.
I'm telling you right now, I need to diagnose it. I'm going to swap over the vinyls.
You already did the diagnosis.
No, I'm going to swap over the vinyls. You told me on the phone
that you already did the swap in the vinyls, and that wasn't the problem.
No, that was before.
Before what?
Before we actually did the vinyls cam ledges. So now we're going to swap over the vinyls. We're going to see if it follows.
So
potentially you could have a defective vinyl solenoids at the same time.
So what you're telling me is you guys never tried to change out the solenoids the whole time?
We did.
Did you ever check? Didn't you diagnose it though?
We did.
Didn't you option already that out? That was already cleared out?
Correct.
So why is that being another option again?
Let me ask you something. If you have a bad solenoid already, and your cam ledges are already bad, and you're getting two coats on the intake and exhaust now.
But you said you tested everything. You said everything was okay. I spoke with you on the phone.
Okay.
You said you tested
when you drove your car here before we fixed the vinyls.
I didn't drive it here. I towed it here.
Okay, before we even fixed the cam ledges, were you instantly getting the codes?
Yeah, and I'm instantly getting the codes right now.
But when you drove it out of here, did you have the codes?
Actually, I couldn't even drive it out of here because if you let me go back to that topic. You said you tested the car, you turned it on. But did you drive it?
I told you I couldn't drive it. You had no gas.
Okay, so can't you? I'm paying $3,000 plus, and you can't put $10 of gas.
No, I asked you what tune you were on. You said E60.
I told you what I was. I told you want me to come flash the car. You said no, it's not needed. I asked you over the phone. I was very clear. I was very precise with you. I let you pick exactly. I gave you your opportunity of fixing my car. You told me you sugarcoated everything. You told me everything. You tested everything. And then now you're saying that you got to keep diagnosing. No, I'm gonna hold your word. You told me in person. Did you or did you not tell me if you didn't fix the problem, you give me your money back in person multiple times in front of your employees? So are you gonna hold that word?
I am.
Are you gonna give me my money back right now?
I'm gonna try to fix that first.
Are you gonna give me my money back?
So you're telling me right now you're not gonna give me the opportunity to swap over the vinyl?
You already did that. I gave you the opportunity to fix it. I'm not trying to have Instagram drama. I'm not trying to have whatever you happen with other people happen all over again because it will.
Okay.
I'm not gonna.
Here's what we're gonna do.
No,
I'm gonna pull out that vinyl.
I let you 1 month with my car, and it is not fixed. I am very mad because I spent a lot of money towing it here, a lot of money with you guys. I let you pick out everything. You know what? I told you on the phone. I'm like, pick out everything that is flawless with my car and fix it. I will pay for it. I have the same problem. I didn't come here to get all that done, but since that was obviously you said oil pressure has to do with oil leaking. Whatever, you're the pro here. I let you pick everything, and I have the same problem.
So I have your cam ledges. I showed you it.
Okay, but that's not why. That's not why I brought the car. I brought the car because of that problem. Not because of the cam ledges. Not because anything else. Not because it's leaking oil. I brought it for those two codes.
Okay, you had two codes, did you not?
Yeah, and I still have the same two codes.
How many codes do you have now?
I have the same exact two codes.
Two codes, or did you have three?
The same exact
two codes you had for the intake and exhaust.
It's the same codes that are on there.
You're getting intake.
Can you please plug in your scanner and check it?
Sure. Kenny, can you plug in the scanner and pull books?
Yeah. You have that song?
Why are you gonna plug your phone in?
To show them that's the same exact codes that came in.